this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Tekken 8 on your PC. So if you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses, and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find this great game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. The first step is to open your Google browser. Once you have done that, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now, the next step will be to locate this game on Steam before we can proceed to another website. So what you need to do is go to the Steam site and search up the game. After that we will go to another website to check it out. Now scroll a little bit down and as you can see there is a free demo available at Steam. But the normal game is still €48.99. That is quite expensive. So what we need to do is go to the link in the video description and you will be redirected to this website. Now search for the same game and as you can see, this game on this website is already much cheaper. But watch this. Select the games on the left side. Now sort by price lowest first and we scroll a little bit down to the first available one in our country. This text needs to be marked green. As you can see, this game is just €29.64 compared to €48.99. So that will save you a lot of money while downloading the legit game through Steam. So if you buy this key, then you will receive a activation key including a confirmation mail with all the steps to follow to download this game on your PC through Steam. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!